Okay. What I'm doing right now is popping Jiffy Pop over an open fire. So you're not supposed to do it, but if you know what you're doing, it turns out just fine. Gotta keep shaking here, and eventually it'll start popping. I can hear it popping. Helps, like I'm using the edge of the fire ring here to shield my hand from the heat. Helps to have some sort of heat shield. If not, you want to wear like an glove or something that protects your hands, obviously. So just keep on shaking here. See it's expanding as more pops. And things with Jiffy Pop, you don't want to try and pop every kernel because it'll end up burning stuff on the bottom. So when it's mostly popped, you want to take it off the fire. This one's turned out pretty good so far. Popping quickly and hasn't caught on fire itself, so far so good. So it's popping rapidly. As soon as it starts to slow down, though, I want to check the back here to make sure it isn't burning on the back. Sometimes that happens. Okay, slow it down here a bit. So what I'm going to do, set it down here for a moment, and then you got to poke. Watch out for the steam escaping. Oh. See here, give the light time, the camera light meter time to adjust, but there you have it. Jiffy Pop popped over an open campfire. It's pretty easy once you know what you're doing.